They got the PackOut in the store. I missed it. I was just about to go. I saw the PackOut here. I think it's $1.99. I mean, I don't know. I'm finally gonna get one of these. You know, I'll tell you. And I did a review on it, and I did it through. I think Tool Barn sent me this. Man, I love this drill. I mean, you guys, it's a hammer drill. It is so comfortable. I mean, oh my God, you can't believe how small this thing is. It's absolutely amazing. 20 speeds, I forget all the stats on it, but wow, I love it. Alright, I just wanted to add this in, PackOut. So the PackOut might be in the store near you, man. And they got some deals, I guess, up here. Buy one of these, get one of these free. So $169 for that, and then you can get that. All right, let's. I don't have $54. Oh, let's look at some of this stuff here. They got a whole bunch of these. They like hide them here. 59 bucks for this, 94, 109 and 169. See, I like this one. I gotta see. And then this comes down, lock it up. See, I think all I would need is this top part. There's a lot of room in here, man. The thing is, yeah, we gotta see. We gotta see what happens. And then they got, yeah, Milwaukee 2-inch 397. You might find these on sale for $397. The 4-inch are $797. I talked about these. We got the Yetis here. $199. This is a 20 quart. The DeWalt cooler that I have, or if you guys got it over this Black Friday weekend, I believe it was a 10 quart. But let me tell you, very similarly made. It looks very similar. You have a drain plug with the 20, and with the 20 DeWalt, again, you have a 10, a 20, a 45, and I believe it's 65. Again, I could be off on the sizes, but here's the 45. I mean, wow. These things are not cheap. And I don't like the way that this thing opened. I don't like this rubber. This is smart. But yep, it's almost like it's made out of really, you know, people said it almost looks like the Yetis, very similar. You know, I can't tell you one really is better than the other, but you know, from what I hear, these Yetis are the best, no doubt. I mean, like I said, I'm not comparing it really to the DeWalt. The only thing I'm kind of comparing is the material, the look, the thickness of the plastic. I mean, very similar.